Welcome to the Misha Wilson Show, where we show you how to create massive success online so you can enjoy the lifestyle of your wildest dreams. If you've ever wondered how to create more profit with Clickbank, or if you've wished you could make more money with your affiliate marketing business, stick around and watch this video through till the very end, because I'm about to show you one simple trick to create way more profit leveraging the power of Clickbank. Now, if this is your first video, my name is Misha Wilson, and over the course of the last few years, I've done over $15 million in total sales online, and I got my business to the six-figure mark for the very first time leveraging the power of affiliate marketing. So when it comes to affiliate marketing and internet marketing as a whole, once again, what I'm sharing with you is practical advice based out of application and not just theory. Now, as always, if you get value, let me know what your biggest takeaway is in the comments section below, and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon notification button so you're notified when I do more videos just like this. With that said, let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, so before we get into the one simple trick that allows you to make more money and more profit with Clickbank, let's touch firstly on the 30,000 foot view of what you need in order to go ahead and create success with affiliate marketing. So the only three things that you need to succeed are firstly a market, secondly a product, and third, traffic, or of course, website visitors, people who go ahead and get to the sales page of that product to go ahead and make a buying decision. Now, when it comes to your market, the biggest thing to be aware of is it doesn't matter what you're passionate about. All right, the biggest mistake most people make when they choose a market, they choose a market based on passion. Choosing a business and choosing a market based on passion is a surefire way to go broke unless you're lucky enough to be passionate about a market that's also extremely profitable. All right, so understand that the market doesn't care about what you're passionate about. The market only cares about one thing, and that is where the people have the biggest pains or have the biggest desires. All right, the markets that are most profitable will be made up of markets of people who have the biggest pains they're trying to get away from or the biggest desires that they're trying to get towards. Now, if you haven't chosen your market quite yet, the big three that you can go into and virtually guarantee that you're really choosing a market that's going to be profitable are health, wealth, and relationships. And then of course, a subset of one of those markets. So as an example, the health market, a subset would be, how to build muscle for men or how to lose weight for women. Or the wealth market, a subset would be how to make money with affiliate marketing. Or a subset would be how to, build a business flipping real estate, how to build a profitable business flipping real estate. But still, the core markets are always health, wealth, and of course, relationships. And those are the big three where most of the profit are. So with that said, now that we're clear once again on the big mistake that most people make of, I'm just gonna go into a market that I'm passionate about and therefore, create massive success, and that myth, let's dive into the actual product. And I want to share with you one simple, tip and tweak that you can make when selecting a product on Clickbank in order to create maximum success. So let's go ahead and cut over to Clickbank. All right, so here we are in the back office of Clickbank, and I've gone ahead and clicked the Marketplace button up here at the very top to come over to this page right here. Now, if you're not familiar with Clickbank and this is the first time you've been in the back office of Clickbank, just think of Clickbank as a marketplace, all right? So this is a marketplace where you can sign up 100% free, and you can find a bunch of different products that you can go ahead and promote as an affiliate in a bunch of various marketplaces. So you can find products in the health marketplace, in the wealth marketplace, and in the relationships marketplace, all in the back end of Clickbank. But the question obviously becomes, how can I go ahead and find the right product to promote for maximum profit now, of course, that I know the right market? So I want to share with you one simple tweak, super simple, that once you understand and realize will allow you to choose a winner just about each and every single time like clockwork, and something that literally takes zero extra work on your part. So for this metaphorical example, let's just say that we're in the wealth niche in the affiliate market marketing niche, because that's of course the niche that I operate within. So we would go ahead and navigate over to the marketplace right here. We would then choose e-business and e-marketing, and you'll see this first little drop down item right here is affiliate marketing. So I'm going to go ahead and click that, and it's going to take me over to a page that looks just like this. Now, this is the page where most people go, holy crap, which product should I create, or which product should I use? There's 94 different products. There's so many different options. What should I do? How do I choose the right product? All right. Now, what I want to bring your attention to is a super simple tool that you can use as an affiliate marketer to virtually guarantee that you choose a winning product. And that's the tool of the Clickbank Gravity Score. All right, so you can see on this drop down, we have all these different options: rank, average conversion, initial conversion, reoccurring, rebill, or gravity. Now the option that we want to choose here is gravity. And when we click this, don't ask me why it's called gravity, by the way. When we click this, as you can see, it gives us a bunch of different results than, of course, what we would have if we chose rank or reoccurring rebill or initial conversion, etc. Now, why this is so important is this. What the gravity score is, in essence, is essentially it's giving you all of the various offers in rank that are doing extremely well for a bunch of other affiliates. All right, so as an example, let's say there's a product and we have one really good marketer. We have this genius marketer who's really good at persuasion, really good at influence, really good at setting up funnels, really good at media buying, really good at placing ads. And so no matter what product they choose, they're gonna have massive success with it, right? Let's say we choose that product, but there's only one other person having success with it. The only reason they're having success with it is because they're a super, hyper good marketer that knows everything inside and out when it comes to traffic, funnels, follow-up, etc. Well, unfortunately, it might be kind of hard to go ahead and replicate that success because, well, I don't know about you. I don't know if I'm the absolute best marketer in the world. I think I'm pretty good, but I don't know if I'm the absolute best, right? Where with the gravity score, essentially, we are only seeing products that are working well for a bunch of various affiliates, for a bunch of different affiliates, for literally on ClickBank, thousands, if not tens of thousands of affiliates. And what that tells us is that if this offer is doing really well for thousands of affiliates, and I can choose this offer based on, of course, I've already chosen a profitable market, I can choose this offer and I can do just a little bit better than all of those other various affiliates. Once again, I have a massive opportunity to go ahead and create success, all right? One of the keys with marketing is always modeling what's working right now. So when it comes to your ads, when it comes to your funnels, when it comes to your follow-up campaigns, be aware of what the competition's doing, model what's working, model the guys that are doing really well, and you're more likely to go ahead and create success. And this is exactly how you can kind of almost bypass modeling and literally just know what's working really well for a bunch of various affiliates so we can give ourselves the greatest, opportunity for success the very first time we go ahead and place our ads. All right. So what we would want to do is, of course, once again, this is, our gravity score results. We could go through these various products and we could choose the product that works best for our funnel. So as an example, let's say we want to run cold ads and we want to run directly to a funnel. Well, maybe we choose a webinar funnel, right? We could run cold ads to a webinar funnel. This is probably a webinar funnel, I'm guessing, and earn $464.08 every single time we made a sale. And what that would tell us is that if we ran ads to this offer, I have no clue what this offer is. I'm not telling you to promote this offer. I'm just using this as an example. But if we ran ads to this offer and we made a sale for anything less than $464, we would then be profitable because this on average is what the affiliate earns. All right, let's say we're promoting something with a simple affiliate funnel where we have our capture page built out, and I highly recommend you doing so. Check out one of my recent videos I'll post at the very end of this video sharing with you a simple affiliate funnel and how it works. But let's say we have our simple affiliate funnel built out with our capture page and our bridge page, and we want to point to a sales page? Well, maybe the commission code has a more standard video sales letter attached to it. And as you can see, on average, the affiliate will make $113.87 every single time someone goes ahead and buys this product. And if it's on the first page of the Gravity Score results, look, it's converting really well for a bunch of other affiliates. And what that means for us is that if we can generate a customer for an average of less than $113.87, we're going to break even and then make a profit while we build our list, our single most valuable asset in the online world. So once again, remember this super simple tool. It's very simple to use. Once again, it'll take you 3 seconds to change it from rank to gravity. And remember, don't choose your market based on passion. Don't choose your market based on what you think is cool. Don't choose your market based on, anything other than what is the most profitable market I can go into based on where the pains are and where the desires are. And then when you choose your product, in that specific market, choose your product based on Gravity Score to see once again which product is doing best for the most affiliates. Then all we have to do is do just a little bit better than everyone else, and we give ourselves the maximum chance of success. So with that said, hope you got a ton of value out of this video. If you did, as always, please let me know what your biggest takeaway was in the comments section below. Hit that like button, that thumbs up button, and hit that subscribe button below so you're notified whenever I do more videos just like this one. And until next time, over and out. Welcome to the Misha Wilson Show, where we show you how to create massive success online so you can enjoy the lifestyle of your wildest dreams.